Good morning and welcome to your Farm and Home Show. I'm Kristi Shive, and this morning we're visiting with Annhall Norris. She's an extension specialist for food preservation. Good morning, Annhall.
Good morning, Kristi. Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being with us, Annhall. Now, in the coming weeks, the Warren County Cooperative Extension Office and some of the surrounding offices are going to be hosting the Homebased Microprocessing Workshop. And today you are going to tell us what the workshop is all about.
Yes, that's right. This workshop is the first step in a series of 3 steps that farmers need in order to get certified to sell their value added products at the farmer's market. And so, what I mean by value added is maybe salsa or chutney, canned green beans, something that you have grown, maybe taking your produce and turning it into something else, like a salsa or a relish. And so this workshop allows the farmer to learn about canning principles and how to go about getting registered and then further certified in order to sell at the market or from their farm.
Now, Annhall, who should attend the workshop?
Well, ideally, farmers should attend. Any farmer who wants to sell value added products along with their produce, they need this workshop. But it's not just for farmers. You don't have to have a big plot of land. You can be a backyard gardener. You can just have a few pepper plants and make candied jalapenos, or you can can tomatoes. So, anybody really that wants to grow produce and then turn it into something else can take the workshop.
There's so much great information shared at the workshop. Is there a fee to the class?
Yes, the first workshop, the first time you attend, it's $50. And part of that fee goes to your certificate, which will be good for 3 years. And then you'll also get a Ball Blue Book Guide to Preserving. And that book is full of research based recipes. They're safe. You could even use those recipes to make to sell at the market. But the certificate that you get will be good for 3 years. And then after 3 years, you can renew for $10. So that first initial fee of $50 is upfront, and then each time you renew, it's just $10.
Now, the workshop that is going to be hosted in Warren County will be Monday, April 19th from 9:30 to 2 o'clock. If someone wants to sign up for that, how can they do that, Annhall?
Well, the easiest way is to go to the website, the UK Home-Based Processing and Microprocessing website. All of the workshop dates are listed on the right side of the page, and you can just click on a date. Now, be sure to take note, some of the workshops are virtual, and then some of the workshops will be in person. So make sure you know what you're registering for. If you don't have internet access, you can always call me. My phone number's on there, and I can get you registered, or your local extension office can get you registered.
All right, Annhall. So give us a quick review of what the workshop is going to entail and who should sign up.
The workshop talks about basic canning principles, the boiling water bath canner and the pressure canner, when to use each one, and some food safety principles, as well as further steps you need to complete the workshop. And farmers should attend, and people with backyard gardens should attend. This will allow them to sell product at the farmer's market and from their farm.
Now, Annhall, what are the workshops going to look like?
Well, we have 3 short videos. Each one is about an hour. And after the second video, you have a small quiz. It's 15 questions. There is a review before the quiz, and it's not bad. We don't want to scare anybody by saying, oh, you're going to have to take a test. It's not that bad. So after the first test, you break for lunch, and then you come back, and there's a third video, and then you take another quiz, 15 questions, and then that's it. There'll be a time for questions at the end. So it's not bad at all. The quizzes it's actually a really good learning experience.
All right, Annhall. Well, thank you so much for being with us today. If you are watching and would like more information on the Home-Based Microprocessing Workshop, be sure to contact your local extension office or come and join us for the Warren County Workshop on April 19th from 9:30 to 2 o'clock. Thanks for watching and have a great day.